Okay, we're going to look at, let's see if I can get to it, a question about sample size. So we know that we don't know the population proportion, so we're going to have to figure how to determine what to use there. And we're trying to find the sample size with a 98% confidence interval, and the margin of error is 4%. So what you need to do is, I've set up the formula. We don't know what the probability is, so we're going to be conservative here. When you don't know what the probability is, let's you do 50-50. So the probability is going to be 0.50. So we're going to start plugging everything in, but we need to figure out what z is. 1 minus 0.98 would be 0.02. So we need to figure out what 0.02 divided by 2 would be the z for 0.01. So if you go into the course and scroll down until you see the Proctored Exam module, if you'll click on the formula sheet, this will really help you figure out the z-score. For a 0.98, 2%, z.001, your z-score is going to be 2.33. So now we have the three numbers that we need to plug in. So we're going to go ahead and plug those in over here. So we know our z-score is 2.33. And we're going to square that. And then we know that p is 0.50. And then we're going to have 1 minus 0.50, which would also be 0.50. And that, we're going to divide that by the margin of error. And the margin of error is 0.04. And we're going to square that, 0.04 squared. So if you put that in your calculator, you end up getting 848 n equals 8.48 848.2, and we're going to round it up to the next integer no matter what. So we're going to round it up to 849. So your sample size is going to be 849.